Grandma's driving ATV, which is crazy because she doesn't even like riding it.
And she doesn't remember how to drive.
Haley's riding with her, so I feel very
Watch the
worried for
whiplash.
Haley right now.
Watch Haley's whiplash. Now watch when they go forward. If she remembers to put it in forward.
Alright, follow them.
At least Grandma's trying.
I know.
Better than sitting at home on her rocking chair.
Yeah.
She must think there's something wrong with the ATV. Oh, it is kind of squeaky. It is. I wonder if she has. Do you have the brake on?
Grandma, is the brake on?
She's got the brake on.
Take the brake off! Take the brake off!
Take the brake off!
Oh my gosh!
I think so.
Oh, so she had the brake on and it wasn't working.
Is that what was wrong? Yeah.
Grandma, it goes much better, doesn't it?
There's still a light on.
Haley, are you going to drive? Grandma, do you want me to drive?
What?
Do you want me to drive?
Mom, there's brakes down by your feet, too. Do you have your lights on? Because you've got a light on the back.
She's done something to it.
Where's Papa? We're going to be in trouble. Apparently she can get on it with her broken hip.
Yeah, she's already rode it.